In the Trendsi web app here, in products, I'm going to click add. The My Favorites collection is always there for me by default, and I can add other collections as well. So I'll add a new one and name it. And there it is, added. And add another product. You can see here it automatically went to the most recent collection I added to. And this star indicator shows me that product is in a collection. Let's add one more. It's going to add there, but let's add another collection. We'll name it. And now it will add to both, or I can make it not add here. I can go to a product details screen and add there as well. Go to collections, here they are. Go into my jeans collection. I can view the products in there. I can remove them from the collection. I can share this collection, which will allow customers to browse it on my automatically generated Trendsi web store, which all users have. Or I can add the products in this collection to Shopify with my connected store. We talk about that in another video. I can delete a collection. There's my notification, and that is how you manage Trendsi Collections.